TP Nation, what's going on, y'all? Taylor's Pride Homestead, and here we are, another day, another project. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. All right, so today I bought a piece of property on the other side of my property that I'm having cleaned off. So y'all check it out. Let's walk down to here while they're working now. This is gonna be more farmland right in here. It's not big trees at all. So this is what we're gonna be knocking out. My property is over there, but I bought this piece right here. What's up, family? What's up, cuz? Y'all doing it, man. I said, y'all doing it. Huh? Yeah. Right. 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 You're doing it. You're doing it, cuz. What's up, baby? You all right?
Trying to keep on her line.
Yeah, I know. She been outside yet?
No.
I ain't seen come looking about 50 days. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, no. Yeah, you can't. Yeah, the stop is, yeah, property stop is way down in that corner right here. There'll be a damn rattlesnake bed. They definitely be out here. Yeah, water moccasin. Yeah. So y'all see me getting this ready, man. Using the John Deere 310D, my cousins. Wilson's, we knocking it out here, man. Trying to get it ready for the homestead. I think I'm gonna put some goats over here. As you can see, there's my house up there. So it's just in my backyard, really. I bought the piece of property that was adjacent to my property on the other side. So that's all I'm doing. It ain't nothing really that big. Yeah, ain't nothing really that big at all. Or I might put a double wide in here and rent out. You know, got to have some passive income, and so I might put that inside of here as well. Yep, I bought this piece of land a couple of years ago because I wanted to keep people out of my pond. So I'm gonna come in here and burn this right here. I'm gonna have to burn this. But this is what we got going on the homestead today. I had to go this morning and get a colonoscopy. Woo! Colonoscopy, y'all. 4-day prep. Drink like 2 glasses of this Miralax or whatever for like 4 straight days. And on the last day, you drink this like solution, like you drink half of a jug. Y'all, some of y'all that have already got your colonoscopies, you know what I'm talking about, man. But it wasn't so bad. You know, some people were talking about the taste being bad. The taste was not really bad at all. I got through it, and so I'm grateful. They did find 1 polyp and they removed it, so I'm good. I thank God for that. And so it's time to get our bodies together, eat right, do what's right, man, for the kingdom's sake, guys. Y'all check out this John Deere 310D. I wish I could get all this oak wood out of here. Yeah. John Deere 310D. Might bring the bigger saw over here. There ain't too many oaks in here, but you know, we only going back to this line right here. I think I'm just gonna put a double wide in here. I got a deal on a double wide, and so I'm debating on putting the double wide in here or making it a farmland. I've got 77 acres within 2 miles from me that I own, so that's where my farming is going on. But I thought about putting some goats over here just to keep this property clean. But I think I'm just gonna put a double wide in here. .310D backhoe. I love backhoes. I love backhoes. Check them out, y'all. I just snapped that tree, man. Look how I just snapped that tree up. Oh my God. The backhoe is powerful, bro. Easy work, easy work. We're gonna have all this cleared out in a day or so. And I'll let y'all see what it looks like. John Deere. There we go. My cousin's on the machine. Let's see what he's gonna do. Oh, it went down. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Y'all see that? Like taking candy from a baby. We're gonna have all of this done. So we gotta burn this up later on. Oh yeah, guys, check it out. Let's see what else he's gonna do. Don't y'all like watching Taylor's Pride Homestead? I know y'all do, because I love y'all. I told you we got a variety of things going on the homestead. He's digging out on the root. Look at that tree already falling. Watch that. Watch that. Look at that. Easy work. Easy work, guys. Easy work. Easy work, easy work. I'm gonna put a double wide over here. I'm thinking I need to get more income. We got plenty of spaces for the goats to go. We're gonna put some income over here. Beautiful piece of property here I got. 1.3 acres. 1.3 acres. All right, y'all stay tuned. Taylor's Pride Homestead. I'll get back with y'all and let y'all see the finished product. We're back, TP Nation. Let y'all see the progress thus far. They done cleared out a lot of this, man. Y'all see? We got a lot of this cleared out now. We got a lot of this cleared out. Let's check out this Kubota in the back. Kubota. Let's check out this bad boy right here in the back. Let's check him out. Let's check him out. That's a Kubota SVL 72752. Y'all see what he's doing? He's trying to push something. Right. Look at Kubota doing. There you go. I didn't think he was gonna do it. Yeah, them roots gonna come out, yeah. Y'all see that little Kubota at work? He's definitely at work, guys. He got it up. He did get that tree up. What's up, cuz? We got it going on, guys. Bad little Kubota there. My little John Deere ain't got nothing on it. Yeah. Cutting it up like this now. Yeah, Lim hit that backhoe and bust that lamp or whatever that lamp is. I don't own it. You own my property, but that don't make me responsible if you break it. You break, it's your responsibility, not mine. They've cleared out a lot today so far. Yeah, they've cleared out a lot. We're just trying to increase our wealth, man. Here on the homestead, it's very imperative that you find passive income to find a way to grow and make money. And so in our homestead, we got animals that produce and we sell their eggs and those things. And we sell muscadines here on Taylor's Pride Homestead. We got rental property. We do have some rental property. You got to find a way to make that passive income, guys. They're at work. It's Kubota SVL 75-2. They're definitely at work. Here on Taylor's Pride Homestead. Grapple. A little grapple right there. You see it? Kubota grapple. Hey, let me get out of the way. That branch just hit me right there. Chop the heck out of me, so let me get out of the way. Y'all stay tuned. Taylor's Pride Homestead. ITP Nation, here we go. This is what we're looking like. This is day 2. They've got it pretty much all the way down so far. Everything is looking good. Got it pretty much down. Got a few more trees we got to get. Got a few more trees got to get. Y'all check it out. Got the Kubota SVL 75-2, John Deere 3110 or 310D. Is that work? We got it going on. Got a couple more trees, 1, 2, 3, 4. These big trees in here, but that's easy. All they'll do is push those down. But as y'all can see, we moving and grooving. We are moving and grooving. Yeah, we are moving and grooving, guys. We are moving and grooving. So I decided to go ahead, like I said, I thought about a place to put some goats out here, but I'm just gonna put a double wire. Have some rental income. Gotta have some rental income. Be retiring soon. Gotta have some rental income. And so, this is the way that I can make some money, some passive money. And so this is what we're gonna be doing. So y'all stay tuned on Taylor's Pride Homestead. I thank y'all so much for tuning in, man. It looks good out here. I'm grateful to all that the Lord is doing in my life. Man, just yesterday morning, this area was full of trees. There's Charles. What's going on, man? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Why thumbs up, thumbs down? What's up with that? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Look at that big pile I got in the back. I'm gonna have to burn that down. The guy told me to give it about 2 weeks, and what they'll do is let it dry down a little bit. And then what they'll do is they'll come back in and we can set it afire. We'll set it afire and they'll come, but we still got some trees in here to get out. But all that stuff's easy though. All that's easy to get out. Look at my place in the back there. You can see my house and my junker yard in the back. We got to clean up my area as well. But you can see my area. But this is where we are thus far. Put that down, Charles. See there? While you pick it, see what happens when you pick up stuff? Knock your eye out, son. Are you okay? She don't pick up sticks. See what happens. So we got a couple more trees to get. We got a busted line on the backhoe, so they got to call and get a line for it. The backhoe is leaking a little bit of fluid, but if y'all need some clearing here in the Eastover Hopkins area, reach out to me. This is my family that's doing this for me and get y'all probably a good little deal. They do clearing, they do just basic stuff around the yard and stuff. So they're doing this for me, not free, but I'm paying them to do it. But I promise you, you can get a good deal from them. So just reach out to me and let me know when you're ready, and we'll make it happen. Here we are. There's the John Deere 310D, the Kubota SVL 75-2. Did all this in 2 days. Matter of fact, a day and a half, really. That's a muscadine vine, son. That's a muscadine vine. Yep. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel with Taylor's Pride Homestead, small homestead. Once again, I told y'all, just trying to make some changes around the homestead, try to make it look decent. Got a long way to go, man. I thank y'all so much for tuning in. Thank you to all my subscribers. Share this channel with somebody, man. It's a basic channel. Listen, it ain't all that other extra stuff. It's just a basic channel to let you see a part of my life and what we're doing here. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Peace.